Now we move on to 3 rounds of Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar. Now throughout the practice, since we are working on strength, we will be holding Chaturanga a lot of times in today's session. So I will just give a quick demo and a scale down of Chaturanga. You come to plank, you lean forward, elbows are not going to the side, elbows are going back close to your ribs. This is Chaturanga. Now you find it challenging, you can place your knees down, lean forward, and now don't go like this. It is just halfway you're holding. You find it this also challenging, you will do knees, chest and chin. But whenever there is Chaturanga hold throughout this session, try placing the knees down, lean forward and hold yourself here. Okay, this is for those who find Chaturanga hard. Rest of you will continue to hold Chaturanga. Now, and one more thing in Ashtanga A, we do a variation where we will be adding Ushtrasana in between. We will do that along the practice. Keep your feet together, 3 rounds of Ashtanga A. Palms at your heart center. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen your spine, look up, palms in Namaskara. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Lean forward, exhale, Chaturanga, hold. 5. You know the options. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees and thighs off the mat. Lift the chin up. Now from here, place the knees down. Sit back in Vajrasana. Keep your knees and your feet slightly separated. Inhale, stretch both your arms up. Keep your toes tucked in. Use the core. Roll the shoulders back. Hold on to your heels for Ushtrasana. Don't drop your neck back as yet. Push the hips forward. Lift the chest. Look up. Breathe for 5, 4. Engage the glutes. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, circle your arms from the back. Exhale, palms down. Step back, downward facing dog. Hold down dog for 3 breaths. Ujjayi breathing throughout the practice when we hold down dog. End of 3. Look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Round 2. Inhale, arms from the sides. Reach the fingers to the ceiling. Look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath. Jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. If you're not able to hold even half Chaturanga, you will hold plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, knees down, Vajrasana. Inhale, lift your arms, toes tucked in, roll the shoulders, reach your heels, lift the chest, push the hips forward. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, circle the arms. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 3 breaths. Always remember throughout the practice, if you find Chaturanga hold very challenging, you can hold plank. We are working on building the strength throughout the body. End of your exhalation, look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. One last round. Inhale, arms from the sides. Lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. 5, 4, 3. Just remember you're getting strong. 2, 1. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, knees down, Vajrasana. Inhale, circle the arms. This time let the toes be pointing back. Roll the shoulders, reach your heels. Push the hips forward. This time drop your neck back. Hold it there. Bring the shoulder blades closer. 5, 4. Use only your nostrils to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Engage the core. Inhale, circle the arms from the back. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths in down dog. End of your exhalation, look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen the spine. Exhale, Samasthiti. Separate your feet and your arms. Close your eyes. Stay still. Practicing yoga strengthens our internal organs. By doing all the forward folds, the twists, binds, there is pressure in your organs, which helps to improve the blood circulation and strengthens every organ of your body. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Blink open your eyes.